Welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Imran Ashraf and you are watching Windows 10 tips and troubleshooting video series. This is the 8th video of this series, and in this video I will discuss how we can translate text into a different language. Translate words or phrases in Word, Excel or PowerPoint. This translate feature is currently available for Microsoft Word, Excel, OneNote and PowerPoint. Translate the text into a different language in a Word for Office 365. When you open the document in a language other than the language you have installed in Word, and Word will intelligently offer to translate the document for you. Click the translate button and new machine translated copy of the document will be created for you. Let's start the demo and I will tell you how we can translate. In the MS Word, this is Office 365 version. Here in the review ribbon, review tab, you will find the translate options: translate selection or translate a document. If you have selected some section of the document, like if I select the first two lines of this paragraph, then I choose the translate selection and it will be translated in the right area of here. And here we need to choose the language which I want to, like if I select Urdu, it will be translated in Urdu, and I can copy from here and paste anywhere in this document or somewhere else where I want to do. This is the translated translation of the above two lines. But if I want to, I have a whole document of many pages and I want to translate all the pages of the document, of the same document. I want to regenerate a new copy in a other language, like in my case I have translated already in Urdu. Then I can select the other option. Let me do it. Control Z, and again translate the translate document. It will be translated. It will translate the whole document, and it will be generated another document. Like you can see, once it translated, auto detect, and from auto detect and to Urdu, again I will translate in Urdu. And I can also select this option, always translate to this language. If I have such kind of task that I always I have to translate in the same language, and I can select this option for the always translate to this language. Now I translate this option, and you just notice that another document has been created after the translation. The original is there and translated is also with me. I can save this wherever I want, in OneDrive or in whatever, wherever I want to save. And this is the new copy of the document. I can minimize, translate the whole file in the Word. I just told you, translate an email in the Outlook. In Outlook you can translate words, phrases and full messages when you need them. You can also set Outlook to automatically translate the messages you receive in other languages. When you receive an email in other language, you will see a prompt on the top of the message asking if you would like Outlook to translate it into your preferred language. If for some reason Outlook does not offer for these options, select translate button from the ribbon, same as I have done earlier in the Word, and then right click on the message and select the translate, then translate message, and it will be translated. The email will be translated in the other language. Translate the words or phrases in OneNote for Windows 10. You can also translate from OneNote as well as I have done in MS Word. Here, this was all about the translate text into a different language. If you like this, if you learned something new, please share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.